What do the dashboard warning lights on the 2016 Honda Pilot indicate, and how should drivers respond? These indicators alert you to issues like engine problems, brake malfunctions, and low tire pressure. How can you identify and address common system alerts to maintain optimal vehicle performance? Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Blind spot information. Electric power steering system. Malfunction indicator lamp. Low oil pressure. All-wheel drive system. Vehicle stability assist system. VSA off. Immobilizer system. Smart entry system. Charging system. Low tire pressure. System message. ECON mode. Auto high beam system. Lane keeping assist system. Collision mitigation braking system. Road departure mitigation. Lights on. High beam. Fog light. Adaptive cruise control. Cruise main. Cruise control. Auto idle stop system. Turn signal and hazard warning. Supplemental restraint system. Anti-lock brake system. Low fuel. Seatbelt reminder. Parking brake and brake system. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.